Alright, hey guys, I'm going to show you how I detangle my hair. This has been 3 weeks with these crochet braids. As you see, they're getting old, they're growing out, they're tangled and matted. I can't really even, get my hands through, basically. And I basically do a co-wash. I don't really use shampoo on it. So what I'm going to show you right now is I'm going to wet my hair down. And you can use a spray bottle. You don't have to, don't mind this pimple, but you use a spray bottle. You don't have to wet your hair in a sink. But I'm in the bathroom about to wet my hair in the sink. And I'm going to put this through and I'm going to go section by section and detangle it with a paddle brush like this. I know it's not cleaned out, but this is my hair, blah, blah, blah. Okay? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this conditioner. I use this one because the smell from this conditioner lasts a long time in your hair. The last time I did this, I used silicone mix, and you'll notice like there's a lot of strands that basically come out. So I usually cut those, but for right now, I'm gonna just detangle everything and show you guys that. All right, so the hair is soaked, as you can see, it's literally dripping wet. Try to squeeze that out because this hair definitely I don't know how to explain it. It's not like a sponge, but the water stays dripping for a while. So I'm gonna put this on. Should have got a clip to keep it on, but I don't feel like I want to get it. So what I'm gonna do is section by section. See how tangled it is? It's really crazy. You gotta literally pull to get it, how you need it to be. So I'm gonna section my hair. I'm gonna use a hair tie and just put it into little sections. I'm gonna take some conditioner just like that. It's pretty self-explanatory. I don't take too much, but enough. And then I put it through the sections evenly, just like that. And then try to work it in there before I start brushing with the paddle brush. And you just start from the ends, obviously. So it's pretty self-explanatory. So what I'm gonna do is do my whole head, and I'm probably gonna speed up the video.